Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm getting ready to I'm just a few people away from having 1,700 subscribers and a big giveaway. So please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today, we are unboxing the Allure box for October. Rocktober. And it sounds very clunky. I've been waiting for this. It's the box I get earliest every month. So I'm always excited to get this as my first box of the month. And it looks like that. A little peekaloo. Oh, all kinds of stuff is falling out. Oh, and this is a sample from the Body Shop of Idlewise Intense Smoothing Cream. Little foil packet is always nice to have for your purse or whatever, and it's also an ad for it on the back. And we've got a pretty lady. Who's that lady? Who's that lady? We'll never know it's a model. And then inside we have the items and little blurbs about it written by people that are editors and employees of Allure. So that's cool. And let's see. It looks like everything is tiny in here today. So tiny. Is there anything full size? Usually we have 2 or 3 full size things. So let's see. This is from Fleur & Bee. It is Just Do It Hydrating Serum. The name doesn't lie. If dewy skin is your thing, this is product will be too, thanks to the impressive glow it imports. Prickly pear seed oil and sea buckthorn oil instantly hydrate skin. A simple but wildly effective dew that leaves no trace of stickiness behind. So this is great. It's $34, which is very reasonable. I like to keep track of what the estimated value is because some things are samples. So $34. Which is not a bad price for a serum. And Fleur & Bee is a beautiful name. And this is a very nice quality box. And this is very pretty. And it is sealed, and I'm going to keep it sealed because I have so many serums and things open. And this is a hydrating anti-aging serum. And it's got 14 nourishing active ingredients. And there's visible results. So it's very nice. And, you know, Allures are great for including... Always nice to have some skincare in the box. There's usually not a lot of makeup in here. But very nice. And then we have from Belief. I love stuff that I've gotten from Belief. And this is not a tiny sample. It's a small sample. Belief Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Cream. I've used the Aqua Bomb before. My hair's crazy. My hair's insane. And Aqua Bomb is very nice. It's very light. It's water-based. It goes on super easy and absorbs in your skin. It's got a fresh citrus smell to it. And it's very, very light and just melts right in. And it's always, I really like the things from Belief, and this is a very generous sample size, so you can use this for quite a while. This might last you a whole month because it doesn't take a lot to get the results. And while you'll love it, like gossip in group chat with your best friends, skin is a beast. Oh, it's best, not beast. It's best when it's extra juicy, and that's exactly what you get from the gel cream. It's loaded with the good stuff like radiance boosting vitamin C, moisture retaining hyaluronic acid, and soothing vitamin E to give you glossier skin that's bouncy with moisture. Now the full size is 1.69 ounces, and that's $43. I'm going to say this is probably worth about $8. I don't know, I'm just guessing. That's what I do. I round and guess and round. Ooh, oh, this is exciting. This is so exciting. This is from one of my favorite lines, which is Saturday Skin. And this is the Yuzu Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. and I have used this, and I use the Yuzu night cream every night when I go to bed. It's one of my favorite things. And while you love it, it feels like a dream when applied to the tired under eyes, and the buttery formula helps concealer or foundation wear more smoothly on top. And it's $32 for 0.5 ounces, 0.50 ounces, and this is 0.5 ounces. So this is full size. So that's $43. That is really nice to have a very good eye cream in here. And I'll show you the packaging. It's super cute. Nice. We've got a full-size serum. We've got a full-size eye cream. And if you're like me, you need eye cream. I'm trying to get my girlfriends that are younger than me, to start using skincare earlier than I did, so they can keep their baby faces. But this is really nice. And it's got a little plastic top. And it's nice and full. And it doesn't really have much of a smell to it. But this is super great. I'm really excited to have this eye cream because it goes with the night cream that I use. I'm using a Charlotte Tilbury eye cream right now because I got it from Influencer, and you know, why not? And then we have from Vuori shampoo and conditioner bars, hidden waterfall musk scent. And this packaging is precious. Look at that. And it's got this like little thing, and the tab came off. Let's take a look at it. And this is a shampoo and conditioner bar. Oh, it smells really good. It smells excellent. I'm not sure which one is which. You'll think bars would have to sacrifice results in the pursuit of being eco-friendly, but this Yo leaves hair surprisingly clean and conditioned without a single plastic bottle. The sweet musk scent is both fresh and comforting. And who doesn't want to be comforted with their shampoo and conditioning bars? That's good. Let's all be comforted. Let me use my best comforting voice to talk about this great stuff. And it's $33 for a full-size bundle. And this is I think you can get quite a few shampoos and conditionings out of these small bars. So I'm gonna say this is $8. That's my sample size amount today. $8 for that. Then next up, so many good things. I'm really excited. This is the third full-size item, and I got to choose my color. And it was really a pain in the butt trying to figure out how to choose a color. Like, you had to go in and do all this crazy stuff. But I love brow pencils, and this is a brow definer. And this is from True Cosmetics, and it is sealed, but I got to choose the color, which is, what color did I choose? I don't know. Oh, it says brunette. I chose brunette. I'm gonna leave it sealed up for right now because these are a pain in the butt to open, and it would take me 10 minutes. But while you'll love it is you can't beat a classic pencil for faking fuller brows, and this perfectly dry, perfectly pigmented formula is as believable as it is foolproof. It comes in a range of shades that work magic on most brows, and this is $20. And usually we get 2 to 3 full-size items in Allure, and I'm sorry I didn't tell you, this box is about $25, I think, 24 and change. And we still have more things. And we have this from Sephora. And it's Big by Definition Mascara. And it's a little tiny size. And it says, while you love it, everything you want in a volumizing mascara. Tons of oomph. Impressive definition. I love a volumizing mascara. Without any necessary drama like clumps or smudging. And 2 coats give you bold feathery lashes. But you can also go to town and pile this on without worrying about clumps. And the full price is $12. And I've not tried this before, but that's a nice sample size. And I'm going to say that's about a $3 sample size because it's only $12 for a full mascara, which is a really good price. And if it's good, I got a piece of hair freaking me out. But if it's good, then, I mean, if you can get a great mascara for 12 bucks, that's awesome. Then we have a little beautiful, it's so beautiful. Look at that packaging. The Dongjabini Red Ginseng Daily Defense Essence EX. There's a reason hydrating essences are so popular in Korea. They make skin brighter, dewier, and they layer seamlessly. And this is light as water and rich and firming red ginseng for happy, hydrated, bouncy skin. And the full size is $66 for 30 milliliters. And this is for 30 milliliters, and this is 5 milliliters. So that's a pretty good size sample. So I can't do math in my head, and I'm already trying to keep track of my math here. But this is really nice looking, and it's got a nice pump on it. But this is beautiful packaging, and Korean skincare is just top notch. I'm going to say that this is about a $10 sample. And then last but not least, from Vasanti, it's Italiano, Vasanti, Brightening Up Exfoliator. Why you love it? Slough away dullness, grime, and dead skin cells with this creamy, just a little gritty treatment, and then try your best not to keep touching your face because it'll be that soft. And full size is $34 for 4.23 ounces. And this is 30.71 ounces. So I'm going to say that this is about $5. And everyone loves an exfoliator. And I've seen a lot of Vasanti in boxes. And this looks like a decent sample size to get your skin nice and clean in a pinch. So what a great box. We have the exfoliator, we have the serum, we have the shampoo and conditioning bar, which is kind of cool. People are really getting into those now. The eye cream, the eyebrow pencil, the essence, the tiny mascara, and the Belief cream. This is a really excellent box. I mean, some people don't like to get sample sizes, but samples of these things are very nice, and the full sizes are excellent quality. So I'm just loving this box. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today, and I will be back soon. I upload 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I hope you will have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.